Hi guys, this is James from DBG again, and this is another quick update on the Pacific Burma type commission I'm working on at the moment. And these are the fantastic Plastic Soldier Company 25 pounders and quads. The bases are Battlefront resin sculpted bases, but the crews, the guns and the quads, the limbers are all Plastic Soldier Company. We have two gun crews there. These are to represent the Filipinos, because I've got a couple of antiquated guns for them to use. And if you look on the quads, I've free-handed divisional markings. I think it's for the 25th Indian Armour, which fought in Burma. Now I think you'll agree that you can agree that the quality of these 25 pounders is absolutely top notch. Let me just get one of these, turn it around so you can see all the detail behind the gun shield and the gunner there. And have a look at some of the gun crew. There's quite a bit of quite a bit of construction to one of these guys, but for the price, I think it's £21 or even £19.50. You get 4 25 pounders with all the variants. That's the 18 pounder, the 18 25 pounder, a 25 pounder, and the 17 25 pounder pheasant in one box set. That sort of quality and options in the kit, it cannot be argued with. And as you can tell, these guys are Northwest Europe, but they've been painted in Filipino uniforms. These guys are in Western Desert, but again, they've been painted in Burma issue jungle greens and khaki shorts. So there you go. That is another unit done. On to the next bit. Got some armoured vehicles to do next. So as usual guys, look me up on social media. Do all the YouTubey bits. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.